Consider Spider-Man's iconic ability to stick to walls and ceilings. This could be theoretically possible through the concept of van der Waals forces. These are the weak attractive forces that occur between molecules. Certain creatures in our world, like the gecko, use these forces to scale smooth surfaces. If humans could somehow harness and amplify these forces, wall crawling could become a reality. Spider-Man's superhuman strength and agility are also not entirely out of the realm of possibility. Genetic manipulation, specifically through a process called gene editing using CRISPR technology, could potentially allow us to enhance human capabilities. CRISPR allows scientists to add, remove, or alter genetic material in a living organism's genome. Theoretically, with the right knowledge and precision, we could target the genes responsible for muscle growth and agility. Now, what about the famous spider sense? This extraordinary ability to sense danger before it happens is a more tricky proposition. However, we could liken it to the heightened intuition or instincts that some animals possess. Through biofeedback and neural implants, we could potentially enhance our brain's ability to perceive and respond to threats. Swinging through the city with web shooters, on the other hand, poses a significant challenge. Creating a substance that is both strong enough to support a human's weight and flexible enough to be shot and swung from is a tall order. However, with advances in material science, we might one day create a polymer that fits the bill. In conclusion, while we may not be pulling on our red and blue suits just yet, the science behind Spider-Man's powers is not as far-fetched as it may seem. With advances in genetic editing, neural implants, material science, and a better understanding of molecular forces, we could inch closer to a world where Spider-Man's abilities could be scientifically possible. It's a tantalizing blend of comic book fantasy and real-world science, a testament to the limitless potential of human imagination and innovation. The world of Spider-Man is a step closer to reality, one scientific discovery at a time.